I want you to try this.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, I want to open it.
You want to open it? Okay. Okay, I want you to try it.
What is that, Mama?
What is that? This is chicken feet.
I don't like that.
Come on, go try it.
No.
Just one bite.
No.
Just, let's see. It's so good.
I don't want to try it.
It's saying hi.
No, you can't.
High five.
I don't want to bite that thing.
You know? You want to try it? Just a little bite.
No.
Just
No.
a little bite.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Why you don't want it?
I don't want it.
It's so good.
I don't want it.
Just a little.
I don't want it.
I thought you're Filipino.
Don't know.
Are you Filipino?
Bye.
Come on, just one bite. If you're Filipino, you eat this. Just a little. Okay.
Not the vegetables.
So eat like here. How is it? It's good. Okay, try it.
Good.
How is it?
Good.
It's good. Are you sure it's good?
It's good.
It's good.